DIY detan mask that actually works. You'll need 3 ingredients. Take some coffee, gram flour and honey. I bought these measurements to make a thick paste. Go ahead and apply it all over your face. You could also squeeze a lemon to apply on areas like your elbows, your underarms or any tan part. I'm applying it on my left palm to show you the difference. Keeping it up for 15 minutes. Make sure to always rub the mask every 5 minutes. Wash it off and let me show you the magic. My left palm is a lot more brighter. I told you it works.